New Africa Broadcasting Network.
My name is Ambassador Abe Chigozi Walusimbi. I have the middle name Chigozi. That's my father's name.
Yeah.
So it is very powerful. And I'm the ambassador for the diaspora, for the entire diaspora. And I'm also the senior presidential advisor on diaspora issues, affairs in the office of the president. I'm so happy to be here. I'm working on my mandate. I was directed by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, who's sending his greetings to thank NABN TV for this wonderful program. And I understand you do a lot. You promote Africa right here in the United States of America. This is an African TV, and you are doing a great job for all of us. On behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, I thank you so much. I welcome you to Uganda, and that's why I'm here talking to you, inviting you on behalf of His Excellency, the President, and on behalf of the government of Uganda. Please come. I want to say that Uganda is committed, and Uganda is open for business. Uganda is open for business for anybody who wants to come and invest, anyone who can help us to promote Uganda and Africa in general.
Yeah.
So NABN TV is also invited. They are invited to come in Uganda and also to promote.
Thank you for the invitation. We'll be there.
Yeah, actually you are doing it right now. NABN TV, they're doing it right now.
NABN TV, inspiring a new generation.